Hey guys, it's Franny in the kitchen again. I don't know what the hell that was. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Franny. Today's video is another cooking video. So if you haven't seen my last cooking video, it really didn't go that well. Guys, look at them. How did I mess this up so badly? It backfired. I put way too much batter and it absolutely just exploded in the oven. Today, I decided to cook some pancakes, but not just any pancakes. Kylie Jenner's favorite pancakes. I need to look up exactly what it is, but it's banana, pancake mix, oat milk, egg, vanilla extract. It's like really simple. Like you cannot mess this up. I said that about the freaking cupcakes, people. Let's hope I don't mess this up. Also, I don't have pancake mix. Literally right before I was like gonna record, I'm like looking to see if I have all the ingredients. I didn't even put them out. I'm so unprepared. I was like, do I have pancake mix? And I don't. So I looked up and I can just put like flour, baking soda, and baking powder in the mix and it makes pancake mix. So anyways, we're just gonna go for it and make some pancakes. So the reason I got this idea was because she posted on her story making the pancakes like last week, I think, or maybe 2 weeks ago. She literally makes them like this big and like she made like 6 of them to eat, and I'm like, I could inhale probably 30 of them. So when I saw her do that, I was like, oh girl. Okay, so apparently you're supposed to take one banana. That one looks like really not cute. So guys, how's everyone doing? Good? I'm glad. I'm not messing this up. I want a freaking pancake at the end of this. And if I get not one pancake, I will throw an actual bitch fit. I'm not kidding. Mash up the banana. So it's one banana. I just made organic baby food. Think I'm ready to have a kid? JK. Actually, would I be ready? I don't know. I feel like you're not ready for that until like you're just literally put in that situation where you have to be a mother. Flour, sugar. You need a cup of pancake mix, which I do not have. I'm gonna make my own pancake mix. Lord be with me. 1 cup of flour. For this, it said 3 tablespoons of baking powder. I'm just gonna do 1. I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It says 3, but that's for 4 cups of flour. If you're a baker, you're probably screeching at the top of your lungs right now. Made my mix. Oh wait, I need sugar. 1 tablespoon of sugar. So she uses brown sugar or regular white sugar. I don't have that brown sugar. Let me recap real quick. So 1 banana, smash it up. 1 cup of flour. This is if you don't have the pancake mix. If you have pancake mix, just put 1 cup of pancake mix. So it's 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. No, baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of sugar. Now I'm gonna put in 1/2 cup of oat milk. I guess you can use whatever milk of your preference. I think she cracks an egg in it, right? Yeah, you have to crack an egg. Boom. I'm gonna add cinnamon to mine. I love cinnamon. You're supposed to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I love cinnamon, so I'm gonna add a heaping load of it. It's like nothing left in here. You know, we're gonna go with the little whisk, the little corn whisk. So we're just gonna whisk this together. Like I said before, I don't have the super fancy machine, the zzzz machine. I should invest in one. I've been like baking a lot. My mom has been making some bread. Let me tell you, she's been making like honey oat bread, and then she's been making banana nut bread. I just eat bread all day. Like I literally wake up, eat bread, mid-snack bread, dinner, 2 slices of bread with tea. So this is kind of what the mixture's looking like right now, guys. It's just like goopy pancake mix. It kind of has to be runny though. Now we're gonna cook them. Guys, it's so easy. Just taking a flat pan. Anything works. Put some coconut oil on it. Okay, so I zoomed in. So I saw in her story the way she cooked them. She used a little spoon because like I said, she likes them tiny. I guess like medium heat, simple, easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, I'm a pro at making mini pancakes. Dude, if I mess this up, I'm gonna be so upset. Oh God, okay. Oh my God, wait, they look so good and cute. They're not like flat, like floppy. Oh my God, don't, no, I will not allow for you to fall. Oh my God. If that just flew off of the thing, I would have just walked out of the video, that's it. Maybe it's better to just make your own mix. saw her put them like one on top of another like this. Look at them. Huh? These are like the nicest pancakes I've ever made. Oh my God, guys. Like they're like perfect looking. It is time for the taste test. So I'm not even gonna put butter on it, or do I wanna put butter on it? Damn, I do want butter on it. I use Earth Balance. It's a vegan butter. That's how we do out here in LA. Funny, like I try to be like dairy free, but it's not working. I'm like eating cheese, this, that. Like I said, guys, my hands are clean. I washed them before starting this project. I think she might have put like a banana on top or something, but like I already used the whole banana, it's fine. This is so cute. Okay. Guys, I'm like, my mouth's watering. Let's do it. Let's taste test this bad boy. Guys, it's unreal. If you love bananas and pancakes, I don't think I've ever had pancakes that fluffy. I think you just need to start making your own pancake mix. Oh my God, I'm a mess. I use Aunt Jemima, you know, the OG. Is it OG? I don't know. Guys, this is so stupidly good. I'm making myself more. I have more batter and I'm gonna make myself more. I'm gonna make all of it and save it and then eat it tomorrow morning. And if you love cinnamon, imagine chocolate chips in this. Game over. Weirdly, this is kind of like a weirdly good amount. I'll probably still be hungry after this. I'm hungry. I feel like this probably won't fill me up. It's too easy, which is dangerous. Guys, you understand how happy this makes me? Because I really screwed up the cupcakes the last video. I was so sad. Pancake video plus ASMR. No, not ASMR. Yeah, this is ASMR, like screaming. Pancake video plus a mukbang. I inhaled that, but I inhale all of my meals. Like I'm probably one of the fastest eaters ever. I eat so fast. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these cooking videos. I'll keep doing them. Just random things that I can do in the middle of the night. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below on what other videos you'd like to see me do. Put those push notifications on so when I upload, you'll know exactly when I do. Do not forget to subscribe. Shout out to Kylie Jenner for these bomb pancakes. Girl, you really know how to make some pancakes. I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.
Back to you whenever I want it.
Oh my God, and the camera's about to die. Yes, score one for me. Okay, bye guys.